Underwriting. Well, it's actually a job title. Well, kinda. If your loan officer did a good job up front, meaning collecting your pay stubs, your W-2s, bank statements, or 401k, wherever your down payment's coming from, tax returns, things like that, if they did a good job up front, you're in good shape. If they didn't get those things up front though, you're in for an unenjoyable, stressful type situation. I feel sorry for you, I really do. An underwriter is an individual who is going to review your loan application once you've entered into a purchase contract. So they're going to review your W-2s, tax returns, pay stubs, your credit, your assets, whether that's in a bank or in a 401k. Maybe you're getting a gift or using down payment assistance, whatever the case. That underwriter, that individual, they're reviewing all this stuff for you to make sure this loan's going to work. That's their job and stuff. And an underwriter is also going to review the appraisal and your title work to make sure that's all in order. So once they've reviewed all your income and asset type stuff along with your credit, the appraisal and title, they're going to issue what's called a conditional approval. Now this is not the final I'm good to go type stuff. This is what's called a conditional approval, which means you have conditions, aka we need more stuff. So you're probably wondering, what the heck's this conditional approval anyway, and is it that big of a deal? Well, yeah, it kind of is. We're looking for updated paperwork. So we're looking for updated pay stubs, updated bank statements. Maybe we need a letter of explanation because you made an unusually large deposit into your checking account, which we do not like. No, we do not. However, things like that do happen, they do come up, so just provide that letter of explanation. We're not looking for your blood, we're not looking for your firstborn, none of that stuff, so don't you be sweating on that. But this paperwork's important. The reason being is your loan has to be saleable, meaning to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac, or move you on to that next servicer. So in order to get your loan to close, you will have to provide additional documentation. I know it's a pain in the butt, but it's part of the process, so you better buckle up, Buttercup. From there, we get the clear to close as you move through final underwriting. One last thing. Oh crap, I hate it when it does that. One last thing. That final underwrite should come out no problem. However, when an underwriter does a final underwrite, they sometimes find things. Like if you applied for some new credit, we do not want to do things like that. So just make sure you're keeping things tight, paying stuff on time, not applying for anything new. So when you come out of that final underwrite, you are in fact clear to close and ready to go sign for that new house.